Usually I use our weekly chat session to talk about Office 365, the benefits, why you should upgrade or not upgrade. But in today's video I would like to spend a few seconds chatting about Windows 11 and upgrades. During the past week I had some clients phoning me and saying they get these pop-ups on their laptops or desktops saying should they continue with the Windows 11 upgrade or not. Now in the beginning I was concerned because I know there are hardware issues when you upgrade. I did some research on the internet and I found an article saying that Windows will actually check your hardware and only ask you this question if it is capable to be installed on your laptop or PC. So be warned of these messages and just be very careful before you press the yes button, and just go and search the internet and make sure that hardware wise your laptop or computer can handle this specific upgrade to the new Windows 11. Now if you like this video and if you are currently on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and the like button, and do not forget to press the bell button as well, because as soon as you do that you will be informed whenever I upload new content to my channel. Now if we go back to Office 365, how do I check which version of Office I have on my machine? What you do is, for example, in Microsoft Excel, you go to the File menu at the top, File, and in the left bottom corner you will press the Accounts button, and there should be a Upgrade button in the middle of the screen, and it will also tell you your current version of Office 365. What is nice about the new Office 365, the version launched during this year 2022 and the end of last year, is the new graphical interface of the software. You will find rounded corners on all your menus and screens, and the quick access toolbar actually moved from the top of the screen in your applications to just below your normal menu button. And it's also very easy to add new buttons to your quick access toolbar. You can go to almost any button on your menu system, right click, and then say add to the quick access toolbar. What is nice about the Office 365 quick access toolbar is that when you add buttons to the toolbar, it will give you a little description next to the button, but as you have very little space on your toolbar at the top, you can go into the menu system, right click the quick access toolbar and ask them to disable these descriptions so you only have the buttons on your quick access toolbar. The next thing that I want to chat with you about is a brilliant camera tool that is now available, or I say now available, it's been available for quite a while. It's a camera tool in Excel. So what you can do with this camera tool is you switch it on, and then you have a live video feed to any cell or group of cells in Excel, and it creates a picture that you can then paste on any other sheet in Excel. And as you work on one sheet, in the little corner or on a dashboard, you will have this live feed to the content of another cell in Excel. I use that quite often when I design dashboards. You will find at the end of this video, in the right top hand corner, you will find a quick link to my next video in Excel, my quick fix video, where I will show you to use this tool. Thanks for watching. Chat next week.